Hey guys, what's up? This is Karan here, back with a new video, and you're welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Hope so you already knew about MIUI 12 update, which is released for most of the Xiaomi devices already, and the GSI for MIUI 12 is already available. If your device didn't got MIUI 12 yet, you can install that GSI. The video of that GSI with the link is already available on my channel. You can just go and check out and install that GSI right now on your device. I've installed this GSI on my Redmi Note 8, and in this video I'll show you what are the changes you get in this GSI and can you use this GSI right now on your device in Redmi Note 8, or you should wait for the official update which is coming very soon. So I will try to show you everything, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, this is MIUI 12 version 20.4.27 beta. This is actually the GSI. This is not a ported ROM. I have installed this on my Redmi Note 8. And first of all, as you can see, it has some lags obviously while app switching, but these are not that much lags. You can compromise with that. And as you can see, this is an app drawer which is working without any issues at all. You can use this app drawer and it is working without any lags, without any bugs at all. And here by swiping down from left, you can see your notification panel, and swiping down from right, you can see your control center, which is looking very good and also opening without any lags. Here it is. Yes, little bit of slow but without lags, so something is very good. If we talk about some extra things which you get in MIUI 12 only, first of all, a security app, new security app which you can see here. Yes, if you're using MIUI 12, and obviously you are getting MIUI 12 apps here, so this one is looking good. And when you go to battery section, you have a lot of things like battery and performance which you can check out from here. We will take a look at some features, and also alongside with that, which are the things you missed here. First of all, there is no camera app pre-installed, but main thing is, and very good thing is, you can install Gcam here. Gcam is also laggy somewhere, but the thing is, it is clicking photos, and here are all the settings which you can adjust from here. HDR plus is not working. Whenever you use HDR, photos are not clicking or clicking in pink, but this one is not working in this cam. I'm using Gcam 7.3. If you wanna use Gcam other version, you can try out that one also if you like it. And let's move forward. Let's check out some other things. First of all, you get apps option here. So if you want to install Google Play Store from here, you can install. If you want to install Google Chrome, you can install from here. This is the Chinese app store which is available. Actually, this is a ported GSI from a custom ROM, latest beta update which you already got in for almost every device. If we talk about theme section, there are themes options available, and one good thing is you can download the themes from here. Also, you can apply the themes, but these will not automatically compatible because MIUI 12 is just released, so not a compatible themes available yet, but soon we will get those themes officially very soon. In settings, you can see first of all your Mi account. It will show you look like this with your Mi Cloud, and here you have a lot of options which you can check out from here, and totally UI change, and here the new permission manager. A lot of things are available here. When we go to my device and when you go to storage, this is also the new menu which you get in latest MIUI 12 update. And here you can see this one. This looks very cool. These are the things you get here. And if we talk about some other things, always on display as expected is not working now again. In lock screen, some options are available. In display, dark mode option is available too, which you can enable from here. Adjust wallpaper dark mode, and also have the schedule option available too. And status bar, you have the option of control center. If you like this control center, you can use that one. If you don't like this control center, you can use this MIUI 11 control center or MIUI 11 notification bar, which looks very good. And also a new menu for selecting items, like if you want to select this one, select this one. So short menu, which looks very good. In status bar, these are the options. Hide notch option is not available here in this GSI. Sound and vibration, all extra things are same like other things. And in home screen you have some extra options like app word option is available. You can choose your home screen with app drawer or regular, whichever you like that. Home screen layout and new option like 4:6 or 5:6, whichever you like, you can choose that one. And themes, as I already shown you, so all other things are almost same. New screen time option is available. Here it is, dashboard, and this is the new focus mode. In week and dashboard, focus mode, new things are available. So still, if you want to try out new things on your Redmi Note 8, you can go and try out. The video on how to install this already available on my channel. You can watch that video and install this GSI right now on your device. So right now I can only say that you cannot use this GSI as your daily driver because there are some bugs here and there, and also some lags are there. It's better to wait for the official release or beta release, which is coming very soon. I think just now next week we will get beta update for Redmi Note 8 alongside with MIUI 12 and Android 10. So this was all from this video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.